Hi guys, after being a DirecTV customer for 30 years, they have priced themselves out of a customer. So Dish Network guy came by here the other day. He said this tree right here has got to go. So my permanent brush pile is right up there. So I'm going to try to lay this tree in between this one and that one up there. Put the top right up there. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I'm going to try. And also, this one right here has got to go. It's got a bad place on the bottom anyway. It's dying. And these are pawpaw saplings beside it. I want to leave them alone if I can. But if you look right here, see that bad spot on the tree right there? That is not good. So I'm going to cut them off both high. So if I'm going to dig up a stump, I'm going to destroy my sapling. So I might just have to leave that one. But that one right there, I'm going to leave the stump sticking up high. So if I ever want to dig a stump up, I got something to grab hold to with the excavator. This one right here, I'm going to try to lay it right up through here towards the brush pile. If not, okay. Let me get the camera on the tripod set up, and then we'll see what I can do. Well, I failed to hit record somehow or another, but the tree fell right where I wanted it to, right between that one right there and this one. That's exactly where I wanted it. I won't miss recording the next one, but the deals, they'll like those fresh poplar leaves, especially this time of year. They'll be in here this evening eating on them. So, let me get to work on the other one up here. That worked out well. Right where I wanted both of them. And I just created some kind of a big mess up. I gotta go get a small saw before I'm gonna start limbing up. I ain't gonna use this heavy thing. So, thanks for watching up until now. I'm trying to get my gloves off, film too. Kind of hard. I'm gonna do some limbing with the axe. This is my favorite axe. It's a small hewing axe is what it is. Anyhow, I think it's a Dunlap. Yeah, it's a Dunlap. I got it off eBay. Put a 24-inch handle in it. And I mean, I really like it, little axe. That's enough of that. Sunday anyway, I don't like doing very much on Sunday. But the guy was supposed to be here tomorrow. Anyhow, this network guy's supposed to be here in the morning. Those two trees are not in his way anymore. So, thinking about building me a woodshed. This is poplar. I'm thinking about cutting them up into 6x6s and charring the bottom 4 or 5 feet. And I've been saving motor oil. I've probably got, wow, I don't know, 20 gallons more of motor oil, burnt motor oil. I'll mix half diesel with it. Make me a trough to set the 6x6s over in after I char them, and I'll soak them and turn them, soak them and turn them in that oil and diesel mix. So I'm 72 years old, so I think them poplar posts will last me. But I need a woodshed right bad. Should have built one before I built the garage, but then I'd have probably built it in the wrong place. I just saw a baby bird flutter down over the tree. I don't know if I knocked him over or not. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I might add some more to this.